What was it, Saturday morning? Nick's up. I can't get up, we're going to St Kilda. It's the view from in the daytime. Waiting for a tram to St Kilda. Why didn't Sydney have these? They're building it. On the tram in Melbourne. Brandon's over there. Found some water to fly the drone. The block's down the road. We're going to see the block. The Gatwick. Down the beach. Are you bored?
Yeah.
Just had a little fly of the drone. Some Big Mick. Brandon was a spectator. We're at the block. This the block. That's the block, the Gatwick. Walking in one of the main streets in Melbourne with Big and Brandon. Alright, we're going to go to the MCG now to watch wrestling. What's that?
Because the championship belt, bro.
Place is packed.
I'll be around.
Made it to wrestling. Hey Brandon. Hey me. Couple beers while we wait. How are you, Brandon? Happy? Huh? 37 minutes to go. Where are you?